Many think that only crazy people hang out in the woods because there have been many movies made where a killer is always chasing someone in the woods, like the movie Friday the 13th. They make movies like this to keep you from coming out here. On the contrary, many people come out here to keep their sanity. This is the only place where you can find peace. When Yahweh created the first human couple, he put them in a garden. That was nature. This is nature. Because he wanted them to be at peace. And in that garden were many animals. Those animals never bothered them. The animals only attacked today because they had to evolve in order to defend themselves against Satan's children, the tillers of the ground. But they will not attack anyone unless they feel threatened by someone. So nature is safe for everyone. And it is the best place to be entertained, not watching a television. Come out here and tell your own vision. Isn't this beautiful?